have a good golden hygiene. Okay? Now starting with the brushing technique. Since ma'am already has the brush, I just use this again to show you. Okay, so normally they use the pediatric, most of them are kids, they use the pediatric brush. Now the ideal way, in case you are going to show them a brush with the here, so you start off with a brush, you always start with the last one. Okay? So you keep the brush angulated half on the gums and half on the tooth. So something like this. At a slight angle, like a 45 degree, and then start with rotatory strokes for the last 3 teeth. You can just start with some sort of a counting cycle, 1, 2, 3, go on to 20 counts. So do it for the last 3 teeth. And then you move on to the next 3 teeth, again circular. So actually when you're doing this, you're also stimulating the gums, not only the teeth but also the gums. It's very important to have healthy gums for healthy teeth. Okay, the gums are unhealthy, the teeth start shaking or drifting, will cause a lot of problems in the future. So emphasis has to be laid on not only the teeth but also the gums when you brush it. Okay? So once you finish this entire outside cycle, you do the same for the inner portion. That is, open the mouth wide and do the same thing for the inside. That is circular strokes for the last 3, about 20 counts, 20 counts and 20 counts. Finally, use the brush and then the top surface, that is this way. Okay, top over here, and like this. Scrub the top. And the last thing is use the heel of the brush and do it inside. Like this. That's for the entire cycle. I usually repeat it about 2 times at least. Now a lot of emphasis has to be laid on not more. The simple reason being that they've been eating all through the day. And imagine all the food accumulates in the mouth and then they go to sleep. So you have the bacteria working a lot, especially sweet food on your teeth, and bacteria producing acids, and acids demineralizing and causing cavities in the teeth. That's how it works. So a lot of emphasis has to be laid on brushing at night. Okay? Now a lot of them like chocolates, so we can't deny them chocolates. See, what you have to do is you have to restrict number of chocolates. Okay? Tell them, okay, a whole bar is not okay for you in a day. Maybe 2 pieces, 3 pieces. Try to cut down on the amount of chocolate. If they are having chocolates here in school, you must, if they do, yeah, it must be candies, all that you have to do. So basically advise them on what is good. And maybe sometimes you can, put a word to them. If there's anything more to junk food, you can probably, advise them against it. If you can do that, that's really very nice. So these, from your perspective, I think these people really, look into them.